Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to split any PDF from your Android device. Before that, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of important video. So let's start the video. In this video I'll show you simple and easy way for split any PDF file from your Android device. So you don't need to download any application for that. Okay, let me show you my PDF file. If I open my file manager and open document, as you can see there are two PDF file. Let me open first one. You can see there are lots of pages in this PDF file, total 509 pages. So suppose I want to split or separate any of these PDF pages. What you need to do, just get back from here and open your Chrome browser and search here iLovePDF. After that, open this first website. Now you can see there are lots of services. You just need to click on here this split PDF, then click on select PDF. Now select your PDF file from your phone. After that, you can see there is a settings icon. Tap on it. Now if you want to split some pages, like if I want to split last two pages 508 to 509, here just type 508 and then type 509. That's it. Now here below click on split PDF. After that, click on download split PDF. Now as you can see my PDF is downloaded and this is the last pages of my main PDF. So if you want split single page from your PDF file, then here just select extract pages and here type your page number, which page you want to split. Then same way click on split PDF and then download it. That's it. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of important video. Thanks for watching this video.